Could this be one of the last naturally aspirated V12 engines? The Ferrari 812 Superfast is powered by a mighty 6.5-liter V12 engine. No hybrid technology, just a finely tuned, naturally aspirated V12 motor. This powerhouse puts out 789 HP at 8,500 RPM and 530 lb-ft of torque at 7,000 RPM. The 812 Superfast was made to replace the classic F12. It has a 0-60 mph time of 2.8 seconds with a top speed of 201 mph. The car is said to pull away cleanly even if you are at 1,000 RPM. Powered by a dual clutch system, by the time you reach 35 mph you will be in the 7th gear. It has shorter gear ratios, making upshift and downshift times to have been reduced by 30%. This is a phenomenal car. To probe its faults is the very definition of nitpicking. The world is better off for having this machine in it.